for your son, who you want to take to the island if you possibly could, at least in song form. How has being his dad changed you?
Well, my son's autistic, and as anyone in his shoes can attest that autism parenting is neurotypical parenting on steroids. It can get pretty intense. I hope, however, ultimately it's made me a better person I otherwise would have been. It forces you to learn things just to get through to Friday, and then when you get to Friday to get through to Monday, you've got to be more patient. You have to not care about the weird glances and weird looks you're getting from people.
So David, there is a growing movement calling for better understanding of neurodiversity. What would you like to see change?
I would like to see special needs assistance in schools being provided as a matter of course rather than something you have to campaign for. That should be there for kids who need that help as a right. If we do that, then our chances of turning these kids into fully functioning, fully contributing members of society in the future is massively increased. I suppose I'm asking for utopia here, but if we don't have some idea of where utopia is, we have no idea of which way to head, so I'll go ahead and ask for utopia. Could we please just have a society that is kinder and more tolerant and more understanding that we're not all the same, yet we still have value and worth, even if we don't conform to the majority's idea of what is normal and what is ordinary. I think if we do that, then actually our capacity to wrestle totally close to where we are gets strengthened, because people think it's incredible, there's so much to offer, but that potential at the moment just isn't being tapped as it should be. Benefit us all, people included, if we could start doing these things.
It's time to go to the music. Disc number 7. What is it and why have you chosen it today?
Disc number 7 is The Sentimental Mood by Wellington and John Coltrane. I love this. This composition's a bit like the TARDIS. It's simple, short and sweet on the outside. It's got rooms and these rooms lead to more rooms, and it's really magical. It sounds a bit like a two-man show, Wellington and Coltrane.